robots have gotten really good over the last few years. I've tested a lot of them, but this one might actually be the closest thing I've tested to a fully hands-off system. This is the Wybot S3, and unlike most pool robots that still need constant emptying, charging, or babysitting, this one actually docks itself, charges itself, and even transfers the debris into a large shore-based collection system automatically. And you even get a little waterfall. So instead of dealing with a dirty filter every couple days, Wybot says you may only need to empty it around once a month, depending on your pool condition and size. Now, after testing it in my own pool here in Tucson with leaves, dirt, and other random stuff that blows in during the week, like scorpions, I can already tell this thing is playing in an entirely different category. The setup is definitely a little bit more advanced than a normal drop and go robot, but once it's installed on the side of your pool, the goal is pretty simple. Let the system handle almost everything for you. The first thing you'll set up is the docking and debris transfer system. The robot automatically returns to the dock after cleaning, recharges, and pushes the debris into the large external bin. That's one of the biggest differences with the S3 compared to most pool cleaners I've tested here. The debris station itself holds up to 10 liters and uses a dual filtration setup with both a standard filter basket and an ultra fine filter system. So it's designed to handle long cleaning cycles without constant maintenance. Once everything is connected, the app walks you through the setup process pretty quickly. One of the things I really liked watching was the map creation. It's 3D, it's really quite cool. On the first run, the Wybot S3 scans and maps the pool using its 3D mapping system and smart navigation technology. Then after it learns the shape of your pool, it starts optimizing the cleaning paths on future runs instead of randomly bouncing around like older robots used to do. And you can actually see the difference. The cleaning pattern looks much more deliberate and efficient, but especially along the walls, it was very systematic. Now, one of the headline features here is the AI vision system. The robot uses onboard vision technology to identify debris and improve its cleaning routine while it's operating. In AI vision mode, it's actively adjusting where it goes based on what it sees in the pool instead of just following a fixed pattern. In fact, there's even an AI sensing mode for it to go out and find the debris in your pool. That sounds futuristic, but in real-world use, what it really means is that the robot spends less time wandering around empty sections of the pool and more time actually cleaning problem areas where it senses and sees the dirt. In my pool, I tested it out with sand and some leaves and some other heavier debris near the deep end and even up towards the steps. The wall climbing was solid, coverage looked very consistent, and I noticed it spent more attention in debris-heavy areas instead of just passing over them once and moving on. Another thing that makes this feel premium is the real-time positioning inside the app. You can literally see where the robot is in your pool while it's cleaning, and that's thanks to the base station that goes into the pool to communicate to the pool robot directly. You can monitor the cleaning progress, switch modes remotely, which I did midstream, start scheduled cleanings, and get status notifications directly from the app. One feature I wasn't actually expecting is the dual power system. The dock supports both solar and DC charging, which gives it more flexibility depending on where your pool equipment area is located and how much sunlight you get during the day, and we get a lot of sunlight here in Tucson. Now, obviously, this isn't a cheap entry-level robot, so you're going to need to expect a little bit of a premium price tag. This Wybot is actually going after the high-end, fully automated pool maintenance market, but after using it, I kind of can see why most people would rather have this kind of system. The biggest thing here isn't just the cleaning performance, it's the reduction in maintenance and interaction. Most robots still require you to constantly pull them out, rinse filters, recharge them, and deal with dirty debris containers every single day. The S3 is trying to eliminate almost all of that. You basically let it clean, dock, recharge, empty itself, and stay ready for the next cleaning cycle automatically, and even give you that little cool water feature when it's cleaning the filter because it uses your pool water to do that. Overall, the Wybot S3 feels less like a traditional pool robot and more like a fully integrated automated system cleaning your pool thoroughly. The AI navigation works well. The 3D mapping is impressive to watch in action, and that self-emptying dock is probably the feature that changes the ownership experience the most. Now, I loved watching it dock, and sometimes it struggled to find it, but in the end, it always found it and docked itself. This pool cleaner definitely requires the least amount of manual intervention and might be one of the most advanced options currently available on the market. Check the links in the description of this video if you want pricing or more information on the Wybot S3. And let me know in the comments if you'd actually trust a fully autonomous system like this to maintain your pool and put it to work so you don't have to work anymore, or maybe you just have more time to go to work. I don't know. You decide. See you guys on the next one.